Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you my March favorites video. I have a ton of products to talk with you about since I missed February's favorites. So if you're interested in hearing what products I love in the month of March, you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So before we get started, can we talk about how cute this sweater is? So it's like tight down here, and then it's got these like bell sleeves. It's from the Loft. I love the Loft. It's my favorite store, and I love this sweater, so I thought I should get another use out of it before it is spring. And ironically, I filmed a very spring look today. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with my favorites for the month of March. I do have some prices listed, so I'm gonna try to make this a little bit more informative and go over how much these products cost as well. So if you're interested in getting them, you don't have to research it. I can tell you about how much they cost. So I have lots of products. Let's get this party started. So the first product that I want to talk to you about is this right here. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And this is the blue cap, so it can take off waterproof mascara and eyeliner, anything that's waterproof. I finally broke down and bought this. Everybody raves about this micellar water, and you know I use makeup wipes and I was using a Lancome eye makeup remover, so I thought I was set. Anyway, I ended up buying this and I love it. It really does a very good job of getting your makeup off in one sweep, which is really what you want, especially for your eyes, because your skin around your eyes is very sensitive. So this is definitely really good for removing eye makeup. I have used this to remove my face makeup as well, but I do feel very oily after I do that. Even after I wash my face off, I still feel very oily. So I do use this primarily for my eye makeup, but I have been loving it. It has been doing such a wonderful job of removing everything. This is very affordable. You can get this at your local drugstore, Walmart, Target. You could get it probably at CVS, Walgreens if you have that in your area. And it looks like it's about $7. I got $6.69 written down, so I think I paid just under $7 for this. So the next product is this baby right here. This is the Pure Lisse Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. This is just a small trial size of this product. I actually received it in my Ipsy bag. But the large version of this is a little bit spendy. It costs $48, but I had to include this in my favorites video because I've pretty much used the entire bottle of this already, and I just got it I think 2 months ago. This is so good. Now I will say, when you first put this on, it burns a little bit and then it hardens, of course, and then the recommendation to remove it off is to just do circular strokes with warm water, and it'll then exfoliate your skin. After I use this product, my skin is glowing. I mean, it looks so healthy. I can see the redness going away. If I have any bumpies or pimples or anything, I can already see that they're looking healthier. I just really love this mask. I'm a little bit hesitant to purchase the full-size version of this because it is a little bit spendy, but stay tuned. I might end up buying it because this is so good. I have loved the results that I've gotten with using this. I would not recommend using this every day, especially if you are someone like me that has sensitive skin. Because it is an exfoliant, I don't recommend exfoliating every day. But definitely a good product. If you don't have Ipsy already, you should get Ipsy because you can get trial size products that you love, and then you can end up buying the big version. So definitely a good product. So the next product is this one here. This is the Bubble Tea Macaron Lip Balm. And this is also another product that I received in my Ipsy bag. Now this is a full version of the product. And this is actually a product that is manufactured and made in the UK. So I'm not sure if you can purchase it and get it in the United States. I would imagine that you could, since I got it in my Ipsy bag, but it looks like it's $2.99 and that's in pounds. So whatever that converts to in US dollars. But this is so good. I love this so much. It's a very, very light lip balm. It's clear in color. I know the packaging is yellow and it looks like it's yellow inside as well, but it does go on clear. And it smells so good. It has a lemony scent, which I love lemon so much. So I really have been loving this. I apply this pretty much every morning before going to work, and it keeps my lips moisturized on my drive to work, and it keeps them moisturized throughout the day. You can apply this as often as you'd like throughout the day, as frequently as you'd like, and I really have been loving this. So I want to look into purchasing some more. I just have not gotten there yet, but it looks like they have some other colors, or I'm sorry, some other flavors available as well. So good product. Sort of staying on the theme with lips, I have two other lip products that I've been loving, and it's a combination that I continuously have been wearing in some of my YouTube videos, and even on the go, like on the daily when I'm going to the mall or I'm hanging out with folks. And this is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Aquarius Satin, and the Steve Laurent Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Cafe. So basically I put the lipstick or the liquid lip on first, and then I put the lip gloss on top, and it just makes it a little bit more wearable, a little bit more comfortable, and I also think it makes it a little bit more long wearing. So I have been loving this combination. This has been what is in my purse. In fact, I had to go get it out of my purse to film a video earlier with it. So I have been loving this. Now Colourpop, you know, is a very affordable brand. So this liquid lippy is only $6.50, and they come in a wide variety of colors. So if you're not someone that likes pale pink and you want something a little bit more bold, you can certainly get a more bold looking color on their website. It's also sold at Ulta now, if I'm not mistaken. And then for the lip gloss, this is another product that I received in my Ipsy bag. Cost $22, so it's a little bit spendy, but I've been loving this lip gloss. I actually did a video where I had my first impression of this lip gloss. It was, I opened my Ipsy bag on camera and I tried the products on, and this is what I received in it. From the moment I put it on, I knew I'd love it because it's such a beautiful color, and honestly, I feel like it's a color that would look good on anybody because it's such a neutral, nice, light color. And I'm telling you what, lip glosses are coming back in. I've always been a lip gloss gal, and then liquid lipsticks came in, and you know, I started to get into those, but I'm really getting back into lip gloss, and especially with summer coming up, I really think I'm gonna be a lip gloss gal. So I've been loving this, specifically this combination. So give those a go if you have them in your collection. So this product is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and I'm in the color Fair Warm. Now, you all know I have been using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer since it's come out, and I love that concealer. That is my holy grail concealer. It is so full coverage. It's such a good color. I love it. But this is really coming in second for me. This concealer is such a good color for my skin tone, and it is perfect for if I want to highlight the under eye and the nose and the middle of my forehead and chin. I've been loving this color for it's such a good match for me. It is not as full coverage as the Tarte Shape Tape, so if you're looking for super full coverage, this is probably not the concealer for you. But I have really been loving this, and I really want to try to branch into trying some other concealers, so this was sort of my step to doing that. This concealer costs $29 at your local Ulta or Sephora, so it is a little bit spendy, but definitely they've got a wide variety of colors, and the coverage is pretty good, and I think I will like this as we get into sort of the warmer months because it's a little bit more light, a little bit less heavy. So the next product is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm in the color Tan Fair Light. This powder has been sneaking into, I think, everybody's favorites videos because first of all, it's super affordable, and second of all, it is so good. This powder is just under $6. I think I paid $5.97 at Walmart for it. If you go to a regular drugstore, it might be a little bit more spendy, but still, it's under $10. It's under $6. It is such a good powder, and it may be my favorite powder, holy grail powder at this point. I have been loving and using the crap out of this powder. I literally wear it every single day, and what I've been doing is I've been baking my entire face with this powder. That's how much I love it. So highly recommend this powder. I just want to give you a warning about this powder. It is not translucent. So if you are someone that likes a translucent powder, this has pigmentation in it. So you really want to make sure that you're picking a color that matches your skin tone because it does have color to it. So keep that in mind. But love this powder. So affordable, so good. I would highly recommend that you check this powder out. So my last two products that I want to talk to you about are both highlighters, which, are we surprised? The first is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and the second is the Colourpop Super Shock Highlighters, and this is in the color Flexitarian. So let me first show you the Anastasia palette. So I'm gonna start with this palette, which I actually picked up at my local TJ Maxx. It has the sticker on the back, and I paid $24.99 for this palette, which I'm super thrilled with because the cost of this palette I found was $40. Now the color, I wasn't going to purchase it, but I read the reviews and the reviews were really good for this palette. The colors in this are a little bit strange, so if you're not one for a bold highlight color, this might not be the palette for you, but the colors are so beautiful. Today I am wearing the color Eclipse, which is this really peachy pinkish color. It is so stunning. I did use the purple. It was like on an off day. I put a little bit of the purple and then this middle color Luna in it. So beautiful. Now I will say this is a highlighting palette that does have specks of glitter in it. So if you're someone that does not want a glittery highlight, this is not for you. But I have been loving this so much. I'm so excited to continue to play with this, and I can't wait for when I'm a little bit tanner in the summer so I can start to play around with this blue and purple a little bit more. I think it'll look better on my skin. So beautiful. Again, check out your local TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. They might have something that's high-end for a cheaper price. So love this. And then that last product is this Colourpop highlight. This might be my new favorite highlight of all time. This is taking the cake for me. This is $8 at Colourpop, so very affordable. And it is so creamy. I mean, it blends like a dream. And oh my gosh, it's so creamy. I love it so much. I am gonna swatch this one for you just so you can see how beautiful it really is. I mean, this highlight is blinding. It is so beautiful. It's so affordable, and I have been loving this also for my inner corner. I often feel like when I use an inner corner highlight from a palette, I don't get the color payoff that I want. I really want something that's brightening, that's gonna draw you into the eyes, especially when I'm doing a bold look on the eyes, and this is exactly that. It is so beautiful. I cannot recommend this highlight enough. Go pick it up. You're gonna fall in love with it. So that completes this video for today. I hope you are loving some of the same products that I'm loving in the month of March. Leave a comment down below and let me know what products that you are loving in the month of March. And if you like this video, make sure you're giving it a thumbs up and subscribing, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye guys!